Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be going over the Pentair OEM cartridge replacements, specifically the 420 version. This is part number 179135. And the first thing you're going to notice when you pull these out of the box is that it does not say Pentair anywhere on the top or the bottom of it. This is just their OEM replacement. It does come in the OEM Pentair box. And if you get it shipped to you, we'll have cut this open, put a packing list inside and resealed it. So there will be packing tape on top. But this is a great original equipment replacement for the Pentair filters. Again, these are for the 420. The best part about them is they're budget friendly, so they're not going to break the bank, and they just do a great job of filtering the pool water. So reach out to us. We got a ton of these in stock, ready to ship to you guys. It's going to make your pool just so much cleaner. Everything's going to work so much better with just getting fresh grids, cartridges in the pool. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.